Every year, thousands of miles of rainforest are destroyed for agricultural use. The two groups chiefly responsible for converting rainforests into farmland are poor farmers and corporations.
Due to the destruction of the rainforest, many endangered species such as orangutans, tigers, rhinos, pygmy elephants, and sloths are being forced out of their homes and into extinction. Furthermore, many experts believe that someday South America will have a farmland that rivals that of the American West, putting all of its farmers out of business. Many industries are cutting down the rainforest to make palm oil producing farms. Palm oil is used in 50% of packaged foods, cosmetics, and